Welcome to 1307 Cactus Avenue, Unit 5C. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2-story townhome with a covered front porch and some updates inside. It's located off of Broad River Road or Piney Grove Road in the St. Andrews area of Columbia, near Harbison, convenient to I-26 and I-20, as well as quick commute to downtown Columbia and not too far from Lake Murray as well. So we're out front. You can see there's parking out in the front of the unit, approximately 2 spaces per unit in the building. And then you have a sidewalk here that leads up to the covered front porch that sort of runs along the front of the building, shared between all units. So we'll take a look inside. So you have updated carpeting on the inside. There's a little bit of vinyl here in the entryway as you come in. Neutral paint throughout as well. I believe it's agreeable gray. You have a ceiling fan in the open floor plan living and dining room as you enter. You see the fireplace there is closed up, so you just have more wall space there. But those don't typically get used in this climate anyway. And then you have the dining room here, you can see open through to the kitchen. You have sort of a pass-through bar there. There also is a half bathroom on this level. So you have a single sink and commode on this side. And the kitchen itself is a galley style kitchen. You have an included stainless steel smooth top electric range. There's also a dishwasher and refrigerator. And then also downstairs you have a laundry room, which is full-size washer and dryer connections, some shelving above, also where the air handler is and the water heater. And you can see the second level going up there. At the back here we have a coat closet off the back door, and out back you just have a sort of a communal or common area green space back here. So on the second level you have both of the bedrooms. They share a full bathroom off the hall. The carpeting continues up the stairs. So off the landing to your left you have one of 2 bedrooms. I believe this may be the larger of the 2. It's a really nice size. You have a nice size closet here also. And a ceiling fan in both of these rooms also. Here's the full bathroom off the hall. You have a single vanity, some strip lighting, and a shower and tub. And then last but not least, that second bedroom, also the ceiling fan in here. Roughly same size closet, but this one also does benefit from a little bit of space from over the stairs, so it's sort of an extra cubby there that you can store some items in, or you could possibly even set a TV or something like that in there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1307 Cactus Avenue, Unit 5C in Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.